Synthetic division is shortcut of long division. To divide polynomial a sub n x to the n plus a sub n minus 1 x to the n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 x to the n minus 2 so on plus a sub 2x square plus a sub 1x plus a sub naught by x minus k. So first step, write the coefficients a sub n minus 1, a sub n minus 2, a sub 2, a sub n, and a sub 0 as shown. Then bring down the first coefficient, which we call leading coefficient, on this bottom row, and then multiply k times a sub n and write into the next column. Add the values in this new column, the second column. So you get a sub n minus 1 plus k times a sub n2. Repeat this series of multiplications and add until all the columns are filled in. Use the numbers in the last row to write the quotient plus the remainder above the divisor. The degree of the first term of the quotient is 1 less than the degree of the first term of the dividend. The final value in this row is the remainder. Let's look at an example. Use synthetic division to divide 2x cubed minus 10x squared plus 14x minus 24 by x minus 4. So first we find the divisor for the synthetic division. To find the divisor for synthetic division, you set the divisor x minus 4 to 0 and then solve. So in this case you get x equals to 4. Now write the coefficients 2 minus 10, 14 and minus 24 and the divisor 4 like this. Now we bring down 2, the first coefficient, and write it below the line. And you have this. Now we multiply 4 times 2 and it becomes 8 and you put under the second in this second column. Now you add negative 2, negative 10 and 8, so it becomes negative 2. So now you multiply 4 with negative 2, you get negative 8 right in the third column, and you add and you get 6. Now you multiply 4 with the 6 and you get 24, add into this minus 24, you get 0, and we are done now. Now 0 is the remainder, and 2 and minus 2 and 6, these are the coefficients of the quotient polynomial. And since the first term, the degree was 3, now the first term will have a degree 2. So you start with 2x squared minus 2 times x and plus 6. And the remainder is 0. Let's do another example. Example 2 uses synthetic division to divide 6x cubed minus 19x squared minus 4 by x plus 4. And we want to write the result in the form x minus k times q of x plus r. So x minus k is like a divisor, just like in this case x plus 4, and q of x we're going to get when we divide, and all with the remainder. So now write the coefficient 6 minus 19. After x squared should be x, but there's no x, so we can use 0 for the x term and then write minus 4. And now we write the divisor here and minus 4, because if you set x plus 4 equals 0, you get x equal to what? Negative 4. Okay. Now write down the first, you bring down the first term 6 and then you multiply negative 4 times 6 that be negative 24. We write on the next column, in this column, and you'll see it's going to look like this one. Now we add 19 and 24, minus 24, and then it becomes negative 43. Now we multiply negative 4 times negative 43, and we count what? 172 positive. Now we add a 0 and 170 to get 172. Now we multiply negative 4 with 172 and it becomes negative 688. And now we add into negative 4 using negative 692. Now this negative 692 is the remainder. 6, 43 and 72 are the coefficients of the quotient polynomial. So this becomes 6x squared minus 43x plus 172. Now we write the result in the form x minus k times q of x plus r. So we have x plus 4 is the divisor, and 6x squared minus 43x plus 72, we got this quotient, and plus minus 62, so become negative 692. And that's the answer.